In this video, I'm going to flip through my college portfolio. Coming up. A solid graphic design portfolio is your ticket to success. It's your calling card and your way into representing yourself, and a symbol for where you hope to be in the future. Since I created this portfolio in school, I made all 4 of these companies. I didn't have to work for free to build a great portfolio. I made up 4 companies where I designed a logo, a package design, and advertisements for each product. To start, there's Crispiettes, potato chips. I wanted to take a more fun circus feel when I was designing these. There are 3 flavors: cheddar cheese, French onion, and potato chips. I wanted to incorporate circus animals when I decided to use the animals from the film Madagascar. I created the tagline, "Eat Wild," because circus animals are seen as wild animals. Then I just used the same idea when I designed the delivery truck and billboard advertisements, which I used YellowImages.com, hit the mockups, which BDesign has done a video on where to find, download, and how to use mockups. I will link that down in the description below, so go check that out. Now we move into True Goy Yogurt. I wanted to take a fun, bright direction when designing this product. I came up with the tagline, "A world of flavor" for the product. So with the advertising posters, I took whirls of fruit and yogurt swirling out of the containers. I came up with the name Trugoy by spelling yogurt backwards. I came up with the package design from a background I found in freepik.com, which BDesign has also done a video on how to download and use tools on freepik.com, which I'll link that down below as well. Then we transition to Grand Oats granola bars, which comes in 3 flavors: raspberry, blueberry, and chocolate chip. Came up with the tagline, "The oats that are grand" for this product. Then I used the same idea for the delivery van with the pictures of the granola bars, tagline, plus a second tagline that says "the oats to take on the go." Then I go into the billboard ads for the product, all leading to Sultan Sunscreen Lotion. This product comes in 3 SPFs, 30, 40, and 50 SPF. This product, I came up with the tagline, "Sultan, the better way to bronze." Since this is a tangible product, I used models in all of the advertisements. With this product, I designed 2 magazine spreads, billboard, and a bus stop billboard with their own sayings, like, "Let the sun do its job while we do ours," and "When we do our job, the sun's a friend," and "Doing our job makes it fun being in the sun," and "Being in the sun never looked or felt so good." Well, that's the flip through of my college portfolio. If you got value from this video and you would like to find more content that will help you build your influence and impact in the graphic design world faster, so you can build a successful company faster, then consider subscribing to our channel and smashing that like button and notification bell. Don't forget, if you can dream it, BDesign can help you design it. So keep on dreaming, and see you in the next video. Bye.